This is Daddy burping Zane. Oh,
You're about to squirt one right now.
Today is Zane's 4-week birthday. 4 weeks ago at 5:36 a.m., Mommy gave birth to him. Oh, we're waiting for a burpee. Look at his long hand. White long hand. Look at those fingers. Jeez.
Get up, Mama.
What's that noise, Zane? Are you full? Huh? Are you full? Let's see him from the back, Daddy. How long he is. Wow.
Are you recording that?
Yes. So cute.